Hello, this is Tom again, coming here from my apartment in Haverhill, Massachusetts. Here to explain cage cleaning part 2. As you can see, I removed the letter. I threw it out, the old stuff out right here, and got some new stuff right here. Just let me put it in for you. If everything's working the way it should, you should be able to throw the old litter, put new litter in the section you take out of the cage, and put in like this. And if it spills over like it's doing with me, what I do is push it down onto the floor, then either vacuum or sweep it up, whichever the case may be. While we're on the subject, the black stuff on top of the food dish is the birds, Frodo and Sam's feces. Let me bring it over here. You should change the litter at least twice a week, and clean and sanitize the whole cage and the toys you have inside, except throw out, clean, etc., etc., the toys and stuff inside, along with the rest of the cage at least once a week, like I've showed you in the previous video. This is a foot toy. I change that every 2 weeks. Just throw it in there like I do, and they'll play with it when they get around to it, along with some stray millet. When it comes to the type of litter I use Katie's walnut pet bird litter, but you can basically use with whatever you want, even if it's just newspaper by itself. But if you have to go to the pet store to get litter for the birds, make sure it has 4 birds written on the packaging. Most of the books I read speak against using crushed up walnut as litter, but that's what I use. Personally, I don't really see much of a difference, because the book says it'll get moldy. Crushed up litter, walnut gets moldy, and whatever else, but if you take care of the birds the way you should be changing it at least the litter once or twice a week in the first place. So what's the big deal, if you ask me? And that's it. Over and out. Actually,